Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So I thought today I will do a all matte eyeshadow look because I know a lot of you my age and older don't like the shimmery look and you know the hooded eyes problem as well. I still love shimmer look, but I don't mind matte look now and again. So I thought maybe now and again I will do this series of just all matte eyeshadow look for more mature eyes. So today I am going to use the Charlotte Tilbury's the Sophisticate. That's the only palette that she has that is all matte, and I might use some MAC and maybe Makeup Geek. So I am going to start with this lighter brown, and I'm going to apply it in my crease and then blend it upwards. So today I'm going to show you also, because as you can see my eyes are hooded but they are also like downturned. So if I lift my eyelids and I just put the eyeshadow here, when I lower my eyebrows the eyeshadow goes down. So when you're working up here, don't go too far down if your eyes are downturned. Just stop about here, sort of just past your well, that depends at what stage, at what point your eye is drooping down. Always forget to turn the aircon off because I'm sure this microphone is probably picking it out. So I keep building it very slightly. My eyebrows need waxing. Just a side note. And while you're doing that, because you know when I apply my eyeshadow I raise my brows really high, but now and again I drop them down to check if I can see the eyeshadow. You have to go high enough to be able to see the eyeshadow if you have hooded or downturned eyes. So I'm going a bit higher. Now when I drop my eyebrow I see that I need it here. Okay, can you see that? So like on this eye you can't see the eyeshadow, but on this one, especially here, because that's where my eye is drooping. Bloody drooping eyes. Everything is drooping, isn't it? I tell you something, I feel like you look okay till about 44, 45. After that, it all happens very quickly. Suddenly you wake up one day and you think, bloody hell, where did that come from? Okay. Now I'm going to take that dark brown on a very fine crease brush. This is Louise Young LY38B. And you see, because it's so pointed, and I'm just going in a crease. So basically right under that orbital bone. Is it orbital bone? And I'm mostly doing it in the middle because if I go down again that will drag my eye down. I will show you later what I will do to make my eyes look as if they lifted. So this way I'm defining the crease and giving myself like a bigger mobile lid, because you know when your eyes are hooded and drooping This might not work for everybody because obviously it depends on the severity of your hooded eyes and you know how much skin you've got hanging over. I don't have, my hooded eyes are not so much age related. It is a bit now, but I was just born with shape like this. Now I'm going to put something light on my mobile lid, and that will make my mobile lid look bigger. This is Glam Doll brush 312, and I'm taking this lightest eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is really not very pigmented. This is almost like just to put all over your lid as a canvas color. It's almost like your skin color, and that's why in a minute I'm going to use probably MAC Blanc type, because this is very, very intense matte. Can you see the difference? And I want this to be quite intense. So I'm going with that right up to my crease where I put that dark shadow. Can you see how that gives you appearance of much bigger mobile lid? I will go back with this dark brown again on this small Louis Young brush and define this crease a bit more, so there is a, and can you see I'm just doing it in like a half moon shape in the middle, so to open up this mobile lid to make it as big as possible. Okay, now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is Makeup Geek small crease brush. To me this is more like a bullet brush. I'm going again to this dark brown and I'm going to start at my lash line almost as if I was doing a liner. Then I'm going to line up this brush with my lower lash line and go up. Sorry, I turned my camera off because Max just came in to get something and I forgot to turn it back on. So I don't know what you saw, but basically I've made like a triangle and this bit looks a bit messy, but don't worry about it because we will use concealer to clean it up. And also what I was saying, that when I'm working this corner, I can't connect it just to the crease because when I lower my eye, you wouldn't see it. So I have to go quite much higher. And it is a bit of a process. You have to keep lowering your eyes, keep looking where you need this eyeshadow to go. But unfortunately, that's what you get with that shape of eye. And can you see how that immediately lifts your eyes? So even when I lower my my eyebrows, it still gives me that cat eye. But you see when I've lowered my brow, this eyeshadow droops a bit lower. That's what I mean. We're going to clean it up with a concealer. And I don't know if you saw that I also went with this dark brown here on my lower lash line. So it was a bit of a guide for me. You could do this using a tape. Now I'm going to take that lighter brown again and buff out the darker edges here. Now take a clean brush and buff that even higher. So now I'm going to take this dark, it's like a grey colour on Morphe 507, and I'm just going to darken just this corner here, just a tiny bit. Okay, now I'm going to clean up the sides. So take like a concealer brush, put a bit of concealer on it, and draw like an upward line. I put a bit too much concealer. Can you see how that cleans up your eye? Let me just blend it out. You see, that almost gave us like a cat eye. So even when I drop my eyebrows, I still get this look. It's obviously not going to be ever proper cat eye with that shape eyes, but one can try. Now I'm going to take the Benefit roller liner in brown, and I will trace the eyeshadow. So I will start here at my lower lash line, not lower lash line, outer corner of my top lash line, and I will follow the eyeshadow. So much easier to do your liner then. Just to make that a bit more defined and darker. And here is your cat eye, and if you can lift your eyebrows like this, that looks even better. Okay, I'm going to put mascara on. Because mascara is everything. And if you wanted your eye to look even more lifted and cat eye, I would use just like corner lashes, just on your outer corner of your eye. I don't use lashes very often. Too much effort. And that's your eyes done. Let's do our lips. I think I'm going to use, I can't stop using Charlotte Tilbury's lipsticks, you know, I'm obsessed right now. Love Trap lip liner. I'm going to fill up my lip with it a bit. And what lipstick have I got here? Bitch Perfect. I thought you will go with my top. People say this lipstick is pink, but I think on my skin it is peach. And that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.